April 14th, 2020. Another beautiful day in Canberra. Amelia is doing well. I enjoy spending time with her. She's growing up so fast. In these challenging times, Imelka is doing the best she can to look after Amelia as well as work from home. All things considered, we're in good spirits. I've been trying to wake up early to make coffee, water the plants, and play with Amelia before I head out to work. I'm inspired by my friends doing amazing things, setting up online learning for school students, turning alcohol into hand sanitizer, and even reinventing award-winning restaurants to be drive-through grocers. With this hope, I keep reminding myself each day that we will get through this. It was lovely to speak to my mother on the phone and wish her a happy birthday, but from far away. Distance between my mother in Sri Lanka and my sister in Melbourne feels like a million miles. My beautiful city seems empty, seems like a Hollywood movie set where the actors just decided not to turn up. Trying to cook and create some content on Easter Sunday felt good, felt busy. It's nice to have the opportunity to support a local business or two that we love. I'm privileged to have the opportunity to do work that impacts our future generation. However, coming home is still the best part of my day, every day.
Mommy?
Take good care of yourself, be kind to each other, take care of each other, and I'll see you soon. God bless.